Hi, I'm Nikki Poussin with Agent Social Connect, and I've been a real estate agent for over 30 years. And today I want to talk to you about social media for real estate agents and content pillars. The first three I want to talk about are the most important ones to be using. They have the educational one, the personal, and the promotional. So let's get into it. In the educational content, we're going to talk about tips, market updates, and home buying and selling advice. So on tips, I'm talking about like say a tip Tuesday, something for a buyer, something for a seller, and rotating it on your Tuesdays. That gives you at least one day that you don't have to worry about posting on because you know exactly what to post. Then we have market updates. A lot of people like to see those on Fridays, and it might be something you want to do every other week or maybe even just once a month. And then we have the home buying and selling advice. And this would be like why it's important to have a home inspection for a buyer, or maybe a seller, what a pre-inspection, the benefits of having that done before they actually list their home. And these type of educational content helps build credibility and gives your audience a reason to follow you. The second tip is on personal content. And this would be like behind the scenes, your story, your community. Behind the scenes, you might want to do something like what your day looks like. Maybe you're doing research in the morning and you're out in the afternoon with clients. At night, you're writing contracts. That's the type of thing that you want to put out there. Something personal, what your day looks like. And even it can be just now's the time I go pick up my kids from school, just so that they learn to know who you are. Your story, why did you get into real estate? What do you love about it? And then your community, why you love your community, the type of parks in your area, maybe the schools in your area. Local business is a great one. And this is really a great tool in community for relocation. People want to know like areas that they're interested in living. So this would be a great tool for you. And this helps build likability and trust, and people hire agents that they can personally connect to. And tip number 3 is going to be promotional content. And these are going to be your listings, just sold announcement, client wins, services. So you could talk about this a little bit, but we say it's important to keep it under 20% of all your posts for the month. And that would be, you can talk about your listings, sold announcement, client wins, like, maybe they beat out 3 offers on a house, or maybe they able to buy more than what they expected to buy, those type of things. Your services, like, are you a first-time home buyer specialist? Are you a VA specialist? Those type of things. And this should be just, like I said, 20% of what you post. And if you're just tired of struggling with your social media and just are overwhelmed with it, feel free to join Agent Social Connect, where you can plan, post, connect, and grow your business.